In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a transparent fruit effect in Picsart. Import the background and apply a blur effect to it. You can download this background from the link in the description below. This transparent fruit effect is created by Smart Graphics in Photoshop. You can watch the Photoshop version on their channel. Import the orange picture and remove the background.
Shut this blade down.
Nice. Now adjust the size a little bit and duplicate it.
Shut this blade down.
Select the first orange and change its color to black and white.
Shut this blade down.
Nice. Change the blending mode to screen.
Shut this blade.
That's cool. Now follow the rest of the steps carefully.
Shut this blade down. 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 Shut this blade down.
We've come to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.